This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. I'll be using Microsoft Word 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have a blank sheet opened up in Word. To rotate text, the easiest way to do it, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Insert tab. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Text Box. And I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go down to where it says Draw Text Box. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across, make myself a nice little text box there. And then I'm going to type whatever you want to type. Now I'm going to select my text. I'm going to go to the Home tab. I'm going to increase the size of my font. Make it 48 point. I'm going to make it bold. And now I'm just going to, that's about the size that I want my text to be. I'm just going to drag my text box in. If you drag it in too far, you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you have your text box the right size for the text. Now to rotate the text, all you need to do, this little circular area up here, you just put your mouse cursor over it, hold down your left mouse button, and you can turn it one way or the other, however you'd like it. Now I'm going to drag the bounding box around my text box over. If you want to get rid of that text box, I'm going to click off. You could see the outline around my text box. If you want to get rid of that, select your text box. Go to the Shape Format tab. Go over here to where it says Shape Outline. Select the little drop down and go down to where it says No Outline. You could change the color of the outline. As you move your mouse cursor over, you could see how the color of the text box, and you can change the weight of it. You can make it larger, but if you want to eliminate it, you just click on No Outline. Now it has no outline. I could still click on it, select it, move it around. That is how you rotate text in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.